All right, this is CodyBat array number 7, and we are doing one where we have to return true if the array contains no ones or no threes. Okay, so basically, I think the algorithm for this would be we don't know that there's no ones or threes until we've gone all the way to the end. Okay, so I think we do have to do a loop because we're not guaranteed to be length 3. We are just going to keep going all the way till the end. Okay, and once we get to the end, if there's been no ones or no threes, then we can return true. Okay, so if the kind of return true doesn't happen till the end, I would basically just do a loop, and if I ever find a 1 or a 3, I'm going to return false. Okay, so just loop through, and if you hit a 1 or 3, return false. Otherwise, when you get all the way to the end, you can return true because you haven't found a 1 or a 3. Okay, and remember the return statement ends the method, so it's kind of nice if you ever find one, it'll just end it, and then we know it won't hit the return true. Okay, so I'm going to do my regular loop, and actually maybe let's do an enhanced for loop, actually, that'd be even better. So I'm just going to do int num, pull it from nums. All right, so I'm going to pull them one at a time out of the loop. And basically do if the num is equal to 1 or 3. That's considered kind of unlucky, right? Because it's like 13. Right, so if it's 1 or a 3, we're going to return false because we've hit one of the numbers we don't want. And then if we get all the way to the end and we haven't hit a 1 or 3, then we're going to return true. And so I'm going to hit the go button. Just kind of check my work, make sure it looks okay. All right, so it's just a single loop. And again, as soon as you hit 1, 1 or 3, you return false. And then if you don't hit any of these, we make it all the way through the loop, then we can return true. Enhanced for loop's a good option here because we're going through all the numbers one at a time and checking them, so you can easily do your enhanced for loop. Makes it a little bit easier than the other kind of loop. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching.